Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer with Party with Favor, and today I'm going to teach you how you can make these rustic twig pencils. I'm currently making all of these for an upcoming men's event, but they would also be wonderful as a wedding favor. Here's what you'll need: loppers or a handsaw, a drill, a 7/64 drill bit, wood glue, a Carpenter's pencil sharpener, a tape measure, 2mm mechanical pencil lead, and wood twigs. To create these pencils, I went into my yard and I cut a 1/2-inch branch off of one of my trees. It can be a little smaller in diameter, but not much bigger. As you can see, I used loppers, but you could also use a handsaw or an axe. Now you will want to shorten your stick. I cut mine down to 8 inches. Taking a Carpenter's pencil sharpener, go ahead and sharpen the twig. If you are good at whittling, you can wait until the end to do the sharpening. Taking the drill and a 7/64 drill bit, go ahead and drill the hole on the end of your stick. Take the 2mm pencil lead and break it into a length that is shorter than your drill bit. Dab the lead into the wood glue and then insert the lead into the drilled hole. Now let it dry. These twig pencils are great little rustic, memorable gifts that your guests will love. If you like this party favor suggestion, like and subscribe below. Blessings to you and blessings to your upcoming event.